The ultimate guide to healing when moving on isn't as simple as walking away. What do you do when the person you're trying to forget keeps showing up in your life every single day? The biggest mistake people make. When we see our ex every day, we often mistake physical presence for emotional connection. Just because they are near you doesn't mean they are still part of your future. Many people secretly monitor their ex. Who they're talking to, what they're wearing, whether they're smiling, whether they seem happy. Without realizing it, they turn their ex into a daily obsession. You cannot heal from someone you are constantly studying. Step 1. Stop looking for hidden messages. After a breakup, maybe you work together. Maybe you're classmates. Maybe you live in the same neighborhood. Or perhaps you share children and can't completely cut contact. Every relationship expert tells you to block them, unfollow them, and avoid them. But what happens when avoidance isn't an option? How do you get over someone when every day feels like reopening a wound? The good news is this: you can move on even if they are still physically present in your life. Healing is not about creating physical distance. It's about creating emotional distance. And that's exactly what you'll learn in this guide. Mini Story 1. The Office Heartbreak. Sarah and Daniel worked in the same company. After 3 years together, Daniel ended the relationship and started dating someone else. Every morning, Sarah saw his car in the parking lot. Every lunch break, she saw him laughing with co-workers. Every meeting felt like torture. She spent months hoping he would come back. Every smile he gave her made her hopeful. Every time he ignored her, she felt crushed. One day, she realized something painful. She wasn't healing because she was still emotionally waiting for him. She wasn't moving forward. She was standing still. The moment she stopped looking for signs that he still cared was the moment she finally began to heal. Step 3. Redirect your attention. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Where attention goes, emotions follow. The more attention you give your ex, the more power they have over your feelings. Instead of asking, "What are they doing?" ask, "What am I building?" Focus on learning new skills, improving your finances, building friendships, pursuing goals, strengthening your faith, taking care of your health. Your future deserves more attention than your ex. Step 4. Accept that closure comes from you. Many people are waiting for one final conversation, one explanation, one apology, one moment of clarity. But closure rarely comes from another person. Closure comes when you decide, "I may never get all the answers, and that's okay." The day you stop waiting for closure is often the day you find it. Step 5. Create a new vision for your life. Heartbreak feels unbearable because people often lose more than a relationship. They lose a future they imagined. The dreams, the plans, the expectations. That's why moving on isn't just about letting go of a person. It's about creating new dreams. Ask yourself, what do I want my life to look like in 1 year? What goals have I neglected? What opportunities have I ignored? The future becomes exciting when you start creating it. Mistakes to avoid. Stop checking their social media every day. Stop asking mutual friends about them. Stop comparing yourself to their new partner. Stop interpreting every interaction as a sign. Stop waiting for them to come back before moving forward. Stop making them the center of your daily thoughts. Key takeaway: you don't get over someone by never seeing them. You get over them by no longer allowing their presence to control your emotions. The goal isn't to erase them from your life. The goal is to reach a point where seeing them no longer changes your mood, your peace, or your future. Healing happens when you stop focusing on who you lost and start focusing on who you are becoming. Affirmation: I release what I cannot change. I choose my peace over my past. Every day, I am healing, growing, and moving forward. One day, you'll see them and feel nothing but gratitude for how far you've come.